Have you ever wondered what makes high-value people different from everyone else? It's not just their skills or talents, it's how they live, think, and interact with the world. These individuals don't just talk the talk, they walk the walk. They live by a set of rules that guide their actions, decisions, and behaviors. And guess what? The best part is, you can start applying these rules to your life too. In this video, I'm going to share 7 rules high-value people never break, and how you can use them to transform your life, your mindset, and your success. Let's dive in. 1. Don't explain yourself to those who refuse to understand. How often do we find ourselves defending our decisions to people who don't want to understand? Maybe it's a friend, family member, or coworker who questions your choices, but no matter how hard you try, they just don't get it. High-value people know their time is too valuable to waste on justifying their actions to people who are unwilling to listen. Here's the thing: you can't change someone's mind if they're not open to hearing you. High-value people know when to walk away from these situations without regret. Instead of explaining themselves endlessly, they focus their energy on those who support their growth and understand their vision. They let their actions speak louder than their words. Think about it. How much time do you waste trying to get someone to understand you, only to be met with resistance? Imagine what you could achieve if you channeled that energy into things that actually matter, things that propel you forward. 2. Control your reactions. The world is full of stress, challenges, and chaos. It's easy to lose control when things aren't going your way, right? But here's the secret. High-value people stay calm no matter what. They don't allow external events to dictate their emotional state. Instead, they have control over their reactions. For example, think about a time when something went wrong. Maybe a project at work failed, or you had a disagreement with someone. How did you react? Did you get upset, frustrated, or maybe say something you regretted? High-value people don't let their emotions spill out in moments of chaos. They pause, assess the situation, and then respond calmly and thoughtfully. Why is this important? Because how you react says more about you than the situation itself. So high-value people understand that their peace of mind is non-negotiable. They know how to keep their emotions in check, even when the storm is raging around them. 3. Don't chase validation. Let's be real. We all want to be liked. We all want to be recognized and appreciated. But high-value people don't chase validation. They don't seek approval from others because they're already secure in who they are. For them, silence is their confidence. You've probably met someone who constantly seeks approval, whether it's from their boss, friends, or even strangers on social media. It can feel draining, right? High-value people don't need others to validate their worth. They know their value is inherent, not dependent on outside opinions. When you stop chasing validation, you start living for yourself, not for others. This is when you truly begin to shine, because you're not looking for permission to be yourself. 4. Protect your mornings. If you've ever had a rushed, chaotic morning, you know how it sets the tone for the rest of the day. High-value people protect their mornings. They don't let their phones, social media, or distractions hijack the first hours of their day. Instead, they begin their day with focus and clarity. They might meditate, exercise, or plan their day ahead. Whatever it is, they make sure it sets them up for success. The morning is a sacred time. It's when your mindset is fresh and ready to take on whatever comes next. If you want to be more productive, start by owning your morning. Don't let the world dictate your energy. You set the tone. 5. Never argue with fools. One of the most valuable lessons high-value people know is that they don't argue with fools. Think about it. How many times have you found yourself in a pointless argument where no one is listening and you're just talking in circles? High-value people understand that their time is too precious to waste on these conversations. They avoid drama, pointless debates, and situations where the goal is to argue, not understand. Instead of getting stuck in unproductive discussions, they choose to invest their energy in things that truly matter, things that elevate them and help them grow. Ask yourself, how much time have you wasted in conversations that didn't serve you? High-value people understand that peace is far more valuable than being right. 6. Train. Even when motivation is gone. Motivation is fleeting. It comes and goes. But high-value people know that discipline is what keeps them on track when motivation fades. They don't wait for motivation to get to work. Instead, they show up day after day, consistently putting in the effort even when they don't feel like it. Whether it's hitting the gym, working on a project, or studying for something important, high-value people understand that discipline is their identity. It's not about how they feel in the moment, it's about doing what needs to be done no matter what. If you wait for motivation, you'll never achieve consistency. Discipline will always carry you further than motivation alone. 7. Stay calm in the storm. Finally, high-value people understand that life is unpredictable. Things don't always go as planned, and people around them can sometimes lose their cool, but they stay grounded and in control. Imagine being surrounded by chaos, people panicking, emotions running high, and stress building up. The strong, calm presence of a high-value person becomes the anchor in the storm. They understand that staying calm is a superpower. It gives them the ability to make better decisions, take thoughtful actions, and maintain their peace, no matter what's happening around them. These 7 rules aren't just habits, they're a lifestyle. Living by them isn't about being perfect. It's about creating a strong, consistent foundation for success and peace. If you want to level up, it's time to start living by these rules. Subscribe for more tips on how to build the life you truly deserve. Don't wait. Start now. Final thoughts. If you want to make lasting changes in your life, it starts with adopting the right mindset. These 7 non-negotiable rules are the foundation for high-value people, individuals who aren't swayed by the world around them, but instead create the world they want to live in. So, start applying these rules today. And remember, you have the power to shape your life by the choices you make every single day. If you want to make lasting changes in your life, it starts with adopting the right mindset. These 7 non-negotiable rules are the foundation for high-value people. Individuals who aren't swayed by the world around them, but instead create the world they want to live in. So, start applying these rules today. And remember, you have the power to shape your life by the choices you make every single day.